What's up mga buddy? Ang gagawin pala natin ngayon ay mag-exercise. Bali, chest workout pala yung program ko. Ayan, bali ang inuna ko pala mga buddy ay decline. Yung upper chest yung tinatamaan yan. Habang di tayo busy sa work. Kaya naisip ko mag push up muna. Magpapawis. Bali, ang gagawin ko dyan sa decline mga buddy, 30 repetition.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know my wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit.
Ayan mga buddy. Ang next pala natin ay incline 30 reps din yan mga buddy.
That I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it.
Ayan mga buddy, ang next pala natin yung flats push up. Bali 30 repetition din yan mga buddy. Para ramdam natin yung tama sa muscle.
I lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning.
Ayan mga buddy, after natin mag push up, yan, pushing muna tayo. Ayan o.